You are welcome to MotionDigit tutorials. I am going to show you how to create a simple logo animation in After Effects, and this is what we are going to create. You can download the project files for free from the link in the description. Password to unzip the project files will be placed somewhere on this video, so keep watching. Create a new composition. Set the resolution to 1920 pixel by 1080 pixel. Set duration to 10 seconds and set your composition background color. This will not show on the final render. Name your composition and hit OK. Create a new solid layer. Name it BG and make comp size. Hit OK. Add a gradient ramp effect. Set your color to black and dark gray. Set ramp type to radial and make adjustments as you desire. This is going to be your background color, so choose the colors you want. Dark background works better for this tutorial. The next thing we are going to do now is to import our logo. Locate your logo. Drag and drop it into the Project Manager window. Then, drag the imported logo into the timeline. Hit S on the keyboard to bring up the scale properties. I am going to scale this down to about this size. Feel free to scale it to the size you want. The choice is yours. I am only showing you the way. Now, hold down the Shift key plus Control key plus C key on your keyboard to pre-compose the logo layer. I am naming this logo holder. You can name it your pet name. It doesn't matter. Select Move All Attributes and then hit OK. Now, I am going to import a stroke asset. You can find it in the Asset folder. If you already downloaded the project files, select the 3dstroke.mov file. Drag and drop it into the After Effects window. I created the strokes using a third-party plugin called Red Giant 3D Stroke. There is a video showing you how I created the 3D stroke in a screen display. Check the description of this video for link to watch the video, then move it into the timeline. As you can see, the strokes are animating into the logo. If you move forward in time to about 1 minute 21 seconds, the strokes finish going into the logo. So at this spot, select the logo holder composition. Hit S to bring up its scale properties. Create a keyframe for scale. Move back in time and change the scale value to 0. This will hide the logo. The logo will pop up when the strokes finish animating. Perfect. This is looking good already. Expand the timeline so you have more room for your keyframes. Keep the logo comp still selected. Hold down Shift and R key to bring up the rotation properties while still keeping the scale properties visible. At the end of your keyframe for scale, make a keyframe for rotation. Move back in time to the beginning of your scale keyframe. Change the rotation value to 0 by -15. Looking better now. I am going to move the last rotation keyframe back to about this point. Keep it in between the scale keyframes. Move few frames forward in time and change rotation value to 0 by 11. Go forward again and change the rotation value to all zeros. This will give the logo a wiggle rotation when it pops up. Good. You're doing great. Now, select all the keyframes. Right-click. Go to Keyframe Assistant. Ease them. Select the last scale keyframe. Go to Graph Editor. If your graph is not looking like this, Right-click and enable. Edit speed graph. Click and move this handle to the left. This will give the animation a natural feel. Okay, cool. On the rotation, I am going to do the same thing to the keyframes. Adjust all the way you want. Let's add more fun. Activate the pen tool. And make sure no layer is selected. From the center, make a line like this. Change stroke thickness to 4. Then open up the shape layer. On the content, go to stroke 1 and change the line cap to rounded. Hide the logo layer. Add a trim path. Move about 15 frames forward in time. Make a keyframe to end property. Go back in time to first frame. Change the end value to 0. Go 8 frames forward in time. Make a keyframe for the start property. Move few frames forward. And change the start value to 100. You will have animation like this. Make adjustments. Ease all the keyframes. Feel free and be creative here. Smooth things out. Select all keyframes. Hold the Alt key and drag the keyframe like this. To adjust the timing. Very nice. Now go to Add again. Add repeater. On the repeater options, make copy 6. Open up repeater 1 transformation options. Change rotation to 0 by 145. Change X position to -5. Looking nice now. Tweak this to your liking. This is a faster way of doing this. You can duplicate shape layer and rotate it them one by one. That would take you longer time to do. This method is faster. Very sure. Make minor adjustment on the rotation. Also name your layers to keep your work organized. Now let's make visible the 3D stroke layer. Also the logo layer. Good. So far, you did well. Offset the stroke layer to splash when the logo reveals. Very cool. Duplicate the explosion. Rotate it. Change stroke thickness to 1. Very nice. There you have it. A simple logo animation in Adobe After Effects. Please support us. Like this video. It will help the algorithm show it to more people. Subscribe to our channel for cool stuffs like this. Also leave a comment if you have any question. Thank you.